Hello, I'm David Bray. I'm a production engineer at Doncaster. Aalberts IPS. I'm here to introduce the Gozio Billo Evolution machine to you all. It's a joint partnership between Wickman, Gozio and Doncaster IPS. And the reason we chose this Evolution machine was the 5-axis capabilities that this machine has. We're currently undertaking a new product, PIC V1500 range, and it's a particularly complex valve with a multitude of ports and different profiles to be cut with inside the body and to the external of the body. The 5-axis machine offers us to be able to set this machine in one setup with the tooling carousel filled with all the relevant tools, and then we can produce a valve, either the body or the cap, in one pass, as opposed to the more traditional transfer machines that we have on site, whereby this product would have taken anywhere between 3 and 5 setups to complete the product in one pass.